Good morning, everybody. Show you what we got going on today. Dealing with a little bit of urine here, I believe, based on the fragrance. and so we just got this one room and these stairs. And I'm probably going to title this Vortex Used as a Truck Mount, because I'm running 1.5 inch 50-foot section, and then about 20 or 25 feet of 2-inch out to my Vortex in the van. Going to utilize it just like I would when I had the truck mount. Don't do this very often. I'm still VLM, but sometimes I get a request or the situation just demands an extractor, so I purchased this so I wouldn't lose any of my flood work as well. So I'm going to set this up, take it on a pause, and we'll video the cleaning and time lapse. Thanks for watching. Be right back. Okay guys, so this is the end result. Better, right? I think it looks better sometimes and goes faster with a little moisture, but I just wanted to play with this Vortex today and show you guys what that was about. First time I've had a layout in a house where leaving it on the van was feasible. You notice a few pausing. I'm not using the auto dump today. I'm still putting together my little system. If any of you guys have got a Vortex, I'm getting water. I know what that is, that's obvious, but there's water coming through the exhaust. Not quite sure why. There's no foam in the recovery tank. Anybody got any thoughts? I'm going to post this on All Things Mytee and maybe I'll get a response back. Overall, I did a great job. I'm going to go over it with a bonnet for good measure. But yep, that's the setup for Vortex, at least for me. Any suggestions for people who use these machines, I'm welcome. They are welcome, I mean. Hope you guys are busy. Got one more little VLM job to do today, and I'm going to call it quits. You guys have a great day.